Oh, Rolls-Royce. What's wrong, boss?
I haven't used this car for a long time. I didn't expect to use all four shock absorbers today. Please help me check what's wrong.
For this kind of air shock absorber, changing one at the 4S shop costs over $50,000. Less than a few $100s here. I can repair it. If you are interested in air shock absorption, learn about. Welcome to Leave 666 in the common area. We will give you a preferential plan.